Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Breyer, and today we are making a delicious blueberry chia jam. This is so good. I love it. It's easy to make. It's healthy. I think you're going to like it too. The ingredients in this recipe are blueberries, honey, chia seed, and that's it. And you can use fresh blueberries or frozen blueberries. I've made it both ways. It's delicious both ways. So the first thing that we're going to do is add our blueberries, 4 cups, to a saucepan. Next, 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, and I'm just going to use 1 heaping. That's easier than 2. I'm going to turn the heat to medium. I'm going to cook the blueberries about 5 or 10 minutes until the blueberries release their juices and they start to break down. You want to stir occasionally. I'm going to keep an eye on the blueberries. We'll come back when they're broken down and the juices have been released. Okay, the blueberries have released their juices. We'll go ahead and mash them next. So you can use a fork or a potato masher. I'm going to use a potato masher because it's easy. Mash the blueberries to your desired consistency. Okay, looks good for me. Next, add 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Stir them around. Turn the heat to low. Cook for another 5 minutes, stirring frequently until the mixture thickens. Okay, the jam has thickened. I'm going to turn off the heat. And if you have an electric stove, just take it off the burner. Now I'm going to let the jam cool for a few minutes, and we can add more honey if we like, but I've made this a lot of times so I know mine is good, but you can add more honey if you would like. Okay, our blueberry chia jam has cooled. I'm going to go ahead and put it in a jar. You could also put it in any container. We're going to store it in the fridge. Okay, pretty full. I think I put a little extra blueberries in there. Maybe I'll scrape some out and I'll have to eat it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, chill this. It's going to continue to thicken. The chia seeds are going to continue to absorb the juice, and when it's chilled for 1 or 2 hours, we'll try it. Okay, I'll be back in 1 or 2 hours. Okay, our blueberry chia jam has been chilling a couple hours, and I'm ready to try it. You can see how it got much more thick, very thick, and I thought blueberry jam and peanut butter would be a good combination. So I have some homemade whole wheat bread, peanut butter, and let's try this jam. This would be good for lunches, peanut butter and blueberry chia jam sandwich. Okay, I'm ready to try. So delicious, so flavorful, nicely sweet. That was so easy to make. You can keep your fridge stocked and everybody will have some healthy blueberry chia jam. Try it and I'll see you in the next lesson. Delicious.